Welcome to Prime Auto Insights, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, deep dives, and expert insights. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 BMW M8 Coupe. A 617 horsepower monster that blends sheer performance with luxury in a way only BMW's M division can. But does it live up to its reputation as a high-performance grand tourer, or is it just another overpriced luxury coupe? Stick around as we break down every detail of this beast. And if you love high-performance cars, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Right off the bat, the 2025 BMW M8 Coupe demands attention. It's low, wide, and aggressive, everything a proper M car should be. Up front, the blacked-out kidney grille is sharper than ever, flanked by BMW's laser headlights with striking blue DRL accents. The sculpted hood and massive air intakes scream performance, hinting at the twin-turbo V8 lurking beneath. Moving to the side, the M8 Coupe sits on menacing 20-inch forged black performance wheels wrapped in ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. And those massive red brake calipers. They're not just for show. These M carbon ceramic brakes provide insane stopping power. Carbon fiber mirror caps and aerodynamic side skirts add to the track-ready appeal, while the sloping roofline gives it that perfect grand touring silhouette. At the rear, the M8 gets even more aggressive. A massive carbon fiber spoiler sits atop the trunk, adding both downforce and visual drama. Below that, you'll find an aggressive rear diffuser housing BMW's signature quad exhaust tips, which deliver an intoxicating V8 soundtrack. Overall, the 2025 M8 Coupe is an absolute stunner, blending elegance with pure muscle. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that perfectly balances luxury and performance. BMW has gone all out with premium materials, merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and Alcantara covering every inch of the cabin. The M-specific bucket seats provide incredible support while remaining plush enough for long road trips. The curved digital dashboard integrates a 12.3-inch driver display and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen, running BMW's latest xDrive 8.5 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, and a heads-up display come standard. Plus, the ambient lighting setup lets you customize the cabin's mood with an array of colors. But let's not forget the best part, the red M mode buttons on the steering wheel. These let you instantly switch between road and track-focused driving settings, unlocking the M8's full potential at the push of a button. Now, let's talk power, because this is where the M8 Coupe truly shines. Under the hood is a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 pumping out 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This power is sent to all four wheels through BMW's xDrive system, allowing the M8 to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. But here's where it gets interesting. The xDrive system can be switched into rear-wheel drive mode, letting you unleash full-on tail-happy drift action. The 8-speed automatic transmission is lightning fast, delivering razor-sharp shifts whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking corners on the track. Speaking of handling, the M8's adaptive suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, offering a smooth, refined ride when you need it and hardcore performance when you push it. And with the M differential and rear-biased AWD system, this coupe remains planted even during aggressive cornering. At full throttle, the M8 Coupe delivers an absolutely ferocious exhaust note. It's deep, aggressive, and filled with pops and crackles that make every shift an event. Whether you're carving through canyon roads or blasting down the freeway, this car never fails to excite. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 BMW M8 Coupe starts at around $135,000, putting it right in the mix with the Porsche 911 Turbo and the Mercedes-AMG GT 63 Coupe. While those cars offer similar power and luxury, the M8 stands out with its more practical all-wheel drive system and grand touring comfort. However, if you're looking for something even more hardcore, BMW does offer the competition package, which adds even sharper handling, a sportier exhaust, and exclusive interior trim options. But at that point, you're creeping into supercar pricing territory. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 BMW M8 Coupe is an absolute powerhouse, blending mind-blowing performance with first-class luxury. It's a car that dominates the track yet remains comfortable enough for long-distance road trips. If you want a high-performance Grand Tourer that delivers an adrenaline rush every time you hit the gas, the M8 Coupe is hard to beat. But what do you think? Would you take the M8 Coupe over a Porsche 911 Turbo or an AMG GT 63? Let us know in the comments. And if you love high-performance cars like this, make sure to subscribe to Prime Auto Insights and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.